siguro expectation lang namin ngayon is nawala namin yung mga key players namin like Ash and to H-Young, QB na nasa KGC na ngayon. Pero at the same time, we're just focused kapag meron kami. So basically, it's gonna be tough. But at the same time, masaya lang kami na wala kami mga medyo may injuries. So
That's good.
yan yung big factor sa amin yan na kailangan